Let us think about the whole piece. And we say that in the nature now many things are happening. Maybe in the future many more things can happen, and human life on earth can be in danger. A complete destruction is possible. We are concerned about all these things. But what is the fact? Can ever nature be in turbulence? And what is the original formation of the nature? And Sri Tathata would say that the nature is always in peace. And it is in order because it cannot be otherwise. Because it works with the divine principle. But we see some disorder happening everywhere. Then what is it? And it is something very closely connected with human life. Because the nature is the extended form of the individual. The person and the whole are interrelated. So the existence is nothing but the individual, something